What if I told you that for less than the cost of a decent laptop, you could roll up to any restaurant, any meeting, any first date, and have people genuinely believe you're driving a $50,000 luxury car? I'm serious. In 2026, the used car market is hiding some of the most ridiculous deals in automotive history. And today, I'm showing you 5 cars under $5,000 that look like they cost 10 times more. Here's the deal. Luxury cars depreciate faster than almost anything you can buy. A car that sold brand new for $60, $70, even $80,000 can be picked up today for the price of a used iPhone collection. The catch? You need to know exactly which models to hunt for, because some luxury cars become money pits the moment you turn the key. But the 5 I'm about to show you, they're the exceptions. The ones that still look absolutely stunning, still drive beautifully, and won't drain your bank account in repair bills. Stick around until number 1, because that car genuinely looks like it costs 60 grand. Let's get into it. Coming in at number 5, the Cadillac CTS, specifically the 2008 to 2013 generation. When this car launched, Cadillac was on a mission to compete with BMW and Mercedes, and honestly, they nailed the styling. Sharp, angular lines, an aggressive front grille, that unmistakable American luxury presence that turns heads in any parking lot. Inside, you get genuine leather seats, wood trim, a premium Bose sound system on most trims, and a cabin that genuinely feels like a car costing $40,000 new. Today, you can find clean examples of the CTS for between $3,000 and $5,000, with reasonable mileage, with full-service history, with that classic Cadillac road presence still completely intact. The 3.6-liter V6 makes around 300 horsepower. So this car is not just pretty, it actually moves. And mechanically, these are solid. Stick to the naturally aspirated V6, avoid the early turbo models, and you've got a luxury cruiser that looks twice its price tag. People will assume you're doing well. They won't believe you paid less than 5 grand. Number 4, and this one is going to surprise you. The Jaguar S-Type. Yes, a real Jaguar. Under $5,000 in 2026. Look at this car. Those classic British curves, the iconic Jaguar grille, the chrome accents, the leather and wood interior that smells like old money. When this car was new, it was selling for $50,000 to $70,000 depending on the trim level. The 2005 to 2008 models are the absolute sweet spot. By then, Jaguar had ironed out most of the early reliability issues. The 4.2-liter V8 sounds incredible. The interior is dripping with luxury. Soft leather, real wood. A driver's seat that feels like a leather armchair from a private library. Today, the S-Type has depreciated so hard that you can find clean examples for $3,000 to $4,000. Sometimes even less. Now, full transparency. You'll need to budget for maintenance. Jaguars are not Toyotas. But if you find a well-kept example with full-service records, you're driving one of the most beautiful sedans of the early 2000s for less than the price of a used Honda Civic. The badge alone does the talking. People hear the word Jaguar, and they immediately assume you spent serious money. Number 3. The Mercedes-Benz E-Class, the W211 generation, built from 2003 to 2009. This is one of the most iconic luxury sedans ever made. The quad headlight design, the 3-pointed star sitting proudly on the hood, that unmistakable Mercedes presence that screams success without saying a word. When this car was new, the E350 was selling for around $55,000. Loaded examples pushed $70,000. Today, you can grab a clean W211 E-Class for around $4,000. Inside, you get genuine wood trim, soft Napa leather, that signature Mercedes build quality. The doors close with that satisfying German thunk. The ride is smooth, quiet, composed. It feels like a car costing 5 times what you paid. Here's the pro tip. Stick to the E350 with the 3.5-liter V6. Avoid the early diesel models and stay away from cars with air suspension, unless you enjoy expensive repair bills. The straight gasoline V6 models are reliable, smooth, and built to last forever. Park this in your driveway, and your neighbors will quietly start wondering what exactly it is that you do for a living. Number 2. The BMW 5 Series. The E60 generation, 2004 to 2010. This car was controversial when it launched. The styling was bold, aggressive, ahead of its time. But 20 years later, it looks modern. It looks expensive. It looks like a car that belongs parked at a 5-star hotel valet stand. The 530i model is the one you want. 3-liter inline 6, around 255 horsepower, rear-wheel drive, that perfect balanced BMW driving feel that made this brand legendary across the entire world. Inside, you get a driver-focused cockpit, premium leather, optional features like heated and cooled seats, premium Harman Kardon sound, full navigation. When loaded, these cars were pushing $70,000 brand new. In 2026, clean E65 series examples are sitting between $3,500 and $5,000. The depreciation has been brutal, and that is incredibly good news for you. Yes, BMWs require careful maintenance, but find one with documented service history. Change the oil religiously, and this car will make you feel like a corporate executive every single morning. The badge, the styling, the driving feel, it all quietly whispers, I have made it. And nobody needs to know. You paid less than $5,000. And finally, number 1, the undisputed king of cheap luxury, the Lexus LS 430. Let me explain something important. When this car was new, from 2001 to 2006, it was selling for between $60,000 and $75,000. It was Lexus's flagship sedan. It was designed to directly compete with the Mercedes S-Class and the BMW 7 Series, and in many ways, it actually beat them. The LS430 is widely considered one of the most reliable luxury cars ever built. Period. The 4.3-liter V8 is famous for running well past 300,000 miles with basic maintenance. The interior is wrapped in the softest leather, real wood trim, and a level of craftsmanship that puts most modern cars to shame. The ride is whisper quiet. The cabin is so well insulated. You can barely hear the engine even at highway speeds. The seats feel like a high-end leather recliner. Everything works. Everything still feels expensive. 20 years later. And here's the part that's almost unbelievable. In 2026, you can find clean LS430 examples with reasonable mileage for between $4,000 and $5,000. Sometimes even less than that. This is a car that genuinely, and I mean genuinely, looks and feels like a $60,000 luxury sedan. Park it next to a brand new car at any restaurant or hotel, and people will assume yours is the more expensive one. It's reliable. It's beautiful. It's a luxury car that simply refuses to die. And it is, hands down, the smartest $5,000 you can spend in the entire automotive world right now. So there you have it. 5 cars, all under $5,000, all looking like $50,000 luxury machines. Which one would you actually buy? Drop your pick down in the comments below. I'm genuinely curious to see what you choose. And if this video saved you from wasting money on the wrong used car, do me one small favor. Hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel for more videos exactly like this one. Because next week, I'm covering 5 sports cars under $10,000 that will absolutely shock you. Until then, drive safe and never, ever overpay for a badge.